It's Bonnie. Happy Sunday night. I got a whole lineup of videos for you guys. I'm going to talk about the Bath & Body Works new Luminous collection coming. And then I'm also burning the Goose Creek licorice candle. And we're going to finally talk about that Little Debbie collection, which I actually have on the way. So there's so much going on. First, we're going to talk about Luminous, which is the brand new Bath & Body Works collection. It's funny because we got a member exclusive sneak peek. They said it was coming on September 15th, but then they changed the date to September 8th. So I'm going to put my first screenshot up here. Check it out. I gotta say, I love the packaging. It's very glamorous. I love the gold. I love the pink, and it looks like there's like a gold throughout the entire collection. This looks like a huge collection. It wouldn't surprise me if we get like the body butter, the perfume. I mean, we're getting the perfume, but it's like everything. This is like one of those big collections. So let me put up another screenshot right here. This is the body care and the perfume. Again, the body care. I'm kind of curious if the price went up on the body care because this looks like really, really high end. All gold packaging, the pink, and then check out the perfume. The perfume is definitely like a different shaped bottle. It's all pink, it looks like. So I don't know. I'm really excited to see this collection. So the scent notes in this one were released on the app today. We finally got to see the scent notes. The scent notes are ruby currant. So I'm thinking maybe like a high-end fruity scent. Is it deeper? Is it sweet? I'm not sure. The ruby makes me think maybe it's a little bit like on the deeper end, but I'm thinking like a fruit note. Next scent note is gilded iris. Now, I actually like the Bath & Body Works iris scents. That's not like a super like heaty, like powdery floral to me. So I'm kind of like thinking, gilded iris. It sounds really high end and sophisticated. And then the third scent note, which I think everyone is like really like, what is it? The praline amber. Now, I don't always love the amber note in the Bath & Body Works scents. Sometimes it's a little bit too much for me. Like Central Amber, I'm not like an over like fan of that, but it is strong. I gotta say, that's like a lasting scent. So I'm hoping this is a little bit lighter on the amber, heavier on the praline. So a lot of you may remember, like, 3 or 4 years ago, we had toasted praline and pear. So what I'm hoping Luminous is like a berry, like fruity, toasted praline and pear. Only instead of the pear, it has like the ruby currant. And then it'd be nice if we had that praline note in there that kind of gives it that fruity element, but there's also other layers, so it's not necessarily like an all fruity scent. And then maybe like just a little bit of floral, nothing too heavy, but I'm really hoping this scent is kind of up there with like Dahlia, which by the way, I have a Dahlia in front of me. I don't think I have the scent notes on this one. Do I have the scent notes? A lot of people are really, really wishing Dahlia would come back. This was a good one. I mean, Fairy Tale I loved, but I really like Dahlia better. So I think that Luminous is actually going to be a lot more foodie, as I'm guessing, than like Dahlia or Fairy Tale, because that praline amber and the ruby currant makes me think it's like more on that spectrum of, you know, like a fruity scent. So anyway, I don't know. Luminous is coming. When is the 8th? I gotta look at the calendar. You know, it's funny. I can't even wrap my head around the fact that Labor Day is next, not tomorrow, it's next Monday. I'm like, when did Labor Day show up? But we should be getting good news about sales coming up. So it looks like it's going to be on the Friday after Labor Day. So Monday and then Labor Day. And then let me just check Tessa's blog, Life Inside the Page, to see if she has any information about Luminous. Oh my gosh, we've got all these holiday preview stuff going on. Oh, a golden angel wallflower unit. Let's see, pocket back holders. Ooh, cinnamon bun with frosting. She's going to be having a lot more information. Oh my gosh, holiday early release, October 23rd. Wow. And then of course, fall, let's see, fall 3 should be coming, which might have some Christmas stuff. I don't know. There's a lot happening. But anyway, I'm excited about Luminous. This might be fun. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys a little bit later. Bye-bye.